me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. You have to make this announcement. I know it's due to the current and ongoing global situation. All right. Hi, my beautiful fellow traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Lena over here, full of excitement. It's a new day. It's a new day, guys. How is it going over that side? Fill me in. What's new? What's new? What's new? I missed you guys yesterday, but definitely, I'm here. Let's see, let's catch up, and definitely we see what the market, what the market is up to, right? So whenever you see me come through, just know we are all in here to learn, to vibe, and definitely to share trading experiences. Just imagine if we sit down, you share with me how your journey has been, I share with you how my journey has been. Just imagine how much we can learn from each other, because definitely what you have gone through, what you have gone through to learn how to trade is definitely different from what I have gone through. So it would really be an amazing experience, right? So good to have you all. Good to have you all. It is a brand new day. It's a brand new day, and it is a Wednesday, meaning we are moving. The week is running, all right? So that simply means that we as traders, also in our learning of trading, we have to run. Of course, you take your time, but you make sure that at least you make it a priority. If you are to learn how to trade, make it a priority, all right? So let us dig in. Melvin is in the building. Hi, Melvin. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going over that side? Hope it's all well. Hope it's all amazing. It's Yoga Lena over here on the wheel. So please fasten your seatbelts. Let's see, because the profits have already started coming in. Hi, James. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? How is it going on your end? Hope it's all okay. Hope it's all amazing. Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm trading on, and binary options. That is exactly what I'm trading. I'm not a crypto trader, not a forex trader, but binary options trader. And whenever you hear binary options, just know we are dealing with something that is short term. We are scalpers mainly. So we are looking at the expiration time, all right? We are not looking at our take profit or stop loss. Once our time expires, we meet our fate, a plus or a negative, all right? So come through with me. I would love to know what you would want to know, all right, in regards to trading. Fill me in. When I've just come through, that is 3 p.m. Canadian time, and we are just 7 minutes into the session. So, this is the time where you ask your questions. This is the time where we interact. This is the time where we chat. So, I would love to hear from you. How is it going? How so far? How are you finding trading? How is everything on your end? All right. Okay, so over here, as you can see, we are having a consolidation formation, all right? So how do we deal with it? That we have to be able to know, right? But of course, you can have a consolidation situation in a downtrend, okay, or in an uptrend. Let me give an example. If we are in an uptrend, then the market just decides to, you know, to move sideways, okay, but you can clearly see that we were in a downtrend, and over here we have decided on where we want to go. So we are still pushing down. Let's see. Better than he can. Okay, so the strategy that I'm using, that is price action, all right? With the price action, we have to understand what direction are we moving in. Just like right about now, we are in a bearish direction, okay? So, and over here, a pullback formation. If you can see that, and we have closed in a plus, all right? Better than we can. So after a close of a pullback, you are seeing some kind of formations over there. Okay. All right, we are still into it. It looks like the buyers want to become wise enough and drop out the sellers. Let's see. Of course, once we break the previous high, you find that we are going to be in a reversal, but it looks like we are just going to pick on our continuation. So let me sell over here. We see. So you see, guys, if we are going to say that we are going to move by just the alligator indicator, did you see that the green line crossed over the red and the blue line, but for a short while, all right? It crossed for a very, very short while. So if you are going to trade with your indicator, that simply means that you are being misguided over there, because we are still in a bearish, all right? But then, of course, over there, you will anticipate that we are going to have a reversal, because the green line has crossed the other two lines to the upside. Yet the market is just doing what it does best, all right? As you see over here, we are still in a bearish direction until we have broken above the major high, all right? So let's see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Brent oil OTC, that is the chart that you are looking at. Let's see. Still John, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up? How is it going over that side? Monezik, good to have you. How is it going? Hope it's all well. Hope it's all amazing. So let's go, guys. Everyone who is joining in, good to have you, good to have you. So excited to have you in the building. Always a beautiful time with you guys, vibe after vibe. So let us keep it going, watching my market, analyzing what exactly is going on. Okay, let's see. It looks like today consolidation is too much in the market. Both the buyers and the sellers want to be involved, you know. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So we are choosing a direction. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay. Array. How do I read your name? How do I read your name? Okay, thank you so much. Good to have you, good to have you. How is it going? How is your day today? How is your Wednesday? And where are you watching from? Where are you joining in from? Okay, all right, so let us keep going. We keep going, guys. Market analysis. Look at that. You take your time, one step at a time, right? Do not rush to catch entries. Okay. You give it time and make sure that at least. Okay, so for the broker that I'm using Pocket Option Broker. Pocket Option Broker. And of course, if you would love to join in, please, you're going to check in my description the pocket option link is attached over there, and joining is really very easy, so check it out and then we can get it from there. Second, good to have. Yes, my darling. Yesterday, I actually had an emergency, so I could not come through. But all is well. All is well. It was a medical situation, but all is well. I'm doing okay. Of course, by God's grace, everything is worked out and everything is fine. You're welcome, Bonga. That is Bonga Shabangu. All right. You are most welcome. Okay, there is someone that was supposed to come through. Yesterday I missed, but there is someone that was supposed to come through such that we learn together, all right? And I always want to take you one step at a time, such that at least you catch up on where we are or what we are up to. First of all, I'm trading binary options, all right? And I am trading on Pocket Option Broker, okay? Brent oil OTC. So with the charts, they could keep changing. I involve myself so much with gold OTC, Brent oil OTC, silver OTC. So it depends on what different charts you can choose to be involving yourself with. Okay. So when we talk about binary options, one thing you should know is that it is highly risky. I cannot tell you that, it's easy or that. No, we actually sit down, we learn a lot about trading, all right? Make sure that at least you have the trading skill. Make sure that it's not something that you're going to do as a part-time something, all right? Do it because you feel it's something that can actually add wealth on you or add something to you, okay? So on my end, I am a full-time trader, okay? And I did a lot to become better each and every single day, coming through, watching my charts, trading here and there. It helped me so much to be where I am. You being consistent, learning what you have to do, watching your charts, all right? we can be consistent in a number of things. One, being consistent on your chats, all right? Making sure that at least every single day you come through, you check on them, being consistent in a few things that you use. One, having a strategy, okay? Make sure that you do not use it just for today and then that is it. Tomorrow you switch to something else. Be consistent and you see, can I make something good out of this strategy that I'm using? If it's not giving you what you think it should be giving you, after a number of months, then switch and use something different. All right. Be consistent in how many times you show up. Okay. Be consistent in practicing risk management. Be consistent in being disciplined. Be consistent in being patient. Be consistent in managing your emotions, all right? Do not feel like you can revenge trade or you can come onto your chats and trade very many times throughout the day. You know, you trade for a very, very long time, you overstretch. It actually results into something negative, all right? Come through, analyze your charts, carry out some trades, make some profits. Of course, losses will be there. Make some profits, go and relax. Come back when you're fresh. Do the same thing, all right? It helps you so much to know how to handle or what to do when you come on your charts or when you come to the market. Each and every single day, you look at your charts, each and every single day, you trade, things are different. When you keep coming through and analyzing your charts, even if you have not carried out any trading, but you come, you analyze your charts, you you make them your friends. I don't know if that makes sense, but let them be a part of you. So when you come on your charts, it becomes way, way easier because you know exactly what is going on, what they are communicating. You know what the candlesticks, the language they are speaking. You know, of course, I'm not saying maybe Chinese or English or something. No, but you understanding, all right? You understanding exactly what the different patterns are reading, what they are telling you, because every candlestick pattern tells a story, gives you a story, and it's from those different stories that you have that you will be able to at least know that I will be using these particular candlestick patterns for my entries. All right. So please just make sure that you always show up. Let them be your friends. Let them be your go to. All right. It makes things easier. Showing up each and every single day, it helps a lot. All right. Okay, so Melvin over there, I see you. Thank you for sticking around. Caesar, good to have you. Good to have you. Sujon, I see you, my dear. Let's keep together. Let's keep chatting. Classic Duke is in the building. Hi, Classic Duke. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Yes, I am having a great day. I missed you guys yesterday so much, but here I am today. Here I am today. Guys, share with me what do you think about today's market? I know we are just a few minutes into it, but we are analyzing the market together. So fill me in. What do you think about today's market? Is it a 50-50? Are we good or it's bad? So let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys, such that we work together, we trade together, making sure that at least we catch some amazing entries, right? That is Mohammed. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? No, my dear, you're not late. Not you are not late. You are not late. King Dubai, is it pocket option? Yes, my dear, it is a pocket option, pocket option broker over here. Classic Jeep is doing amazing. Guys, I would love to know, what do you think about today's market? We keep on analyzing the market. Remember, I told you, once you have started trading, once you are on your charts, the analysis does not stop at the beginning. We keep going and going and going and going, all right? So please tell me what you think. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, that is George. Thank you, my dear. I like you too so much. The fact that we are here to learn, to understand a few things in trading, we are definitely, I like each and every one of you so, so much. That is all the way from Rwanda. Justin is in the building. Hi, Justin. What's up? What's up? What's up? How do you greet people of Rwanda? How do you greet? Alice, teach me the basics. Teach me the basics. Okay, love from India. Namaste, namaste. Good to have you, Duke. How is it going? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Malik is in the building, guys. Good to have you, Malik. What's up? What's up? What's up? How is it going over that side? How is it going? All right. You guys like it? Okay, so on my end, I need an audience like you. All right. So good to have you all. Good to have you. Good to have you. Duke is asking, where are you from, sister? I'm here streaming live all the way from Canada, guys. How is it going over that side? Let me hope it's okay. Let me hope it's all amazing. All right. Okay, inchi Nyarwanda we say amakuru. How are you doing? Okay, amakuru Justin. Amakuru. Okay. You should be coming in every single day such that you teach me a thing or two, all right? Amakuru. How are you doing? Okay, my brain is going to connect. Don't you worry. Thank you, Justin, for teaching me. It's always amazing. So I know how far that is from Nigeria. I know Vanakam, that is all the way from Sri Lanka and some part of India. Then I know Namaste from some other part of India. I know Habari, that is from Tanzania and Kenya. Um, I think that's where my brain stops. Okay, but every single day I will keep learning. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so guys, since we missed yesterday for the donations, we are definitely going to dive in. Really, really. Okay, let's roll together. Look at that, look at that. I need to be coming to these countries when I know at least the basics, right? I don't want to come there and then I'm just opening my eyes. I'm a cool. Okay, yeah, at least now we start from there. I have something to start off with, all right? So thank you, Justin. All right, guys, we are into with our donations over here. Let's see what we can get for our participants. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe we'll make it through. That is clock. 5 atoms. Let's see how we can make some profits for a clock. Why? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so we are in a bearish direction. Let's see how to catch some entries over there. Excuse me. Come on. Okay, I am seeing Habib is in the building. Hi Habib, how are you doing, my darling? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I missed you guys yesterday. Today I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. How about you? How is it going? How is trading? Guys, I'm using price action as my strategy, all right? And in how big that strategy is, which is price action, do not focus on each and every detail of price action, okay? Okay. Let me first see how we go up with our pullback over here. Call me, baby, if you need. Beautiful. That is our first entry, and we're closing a plus. That is Shakul Priest. You are not reading my comments. Oh my goodness. Have I seen any comment from Shakul? Are we there to save the day? Superman got nothing to let me. Only one call away. Okay, this is our second entry in a pullback. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful pullback traders. Where are you? Where are you? Today we are shining. Oh, why? Let us have a continuation. Okay. Matter where you go. Now you're not alone. I'm only one call away. Yes, yes, yes. We are nailing it today, guys. We are nailing it. I'm so full of energy. And then we should be full of profits. I'll be strong. Then I'll hope tomorrow. Okay, my anticipation was a continuation, but it looks like a pullback has actually taken over. Oh my goodness. My excitement, my energy has all been dragged in the mud. What's that? Musa Muhammad is asking that entry right there, I mean the first attempt that you just took. I didn't understand why did you take it. Okay, so the first two attempts that I took them at a pullback, all right? We were in a downtrend. Beautiful, beautiful. We were in a downtrend, but like I keep saying, when we are in a downtrend, we are going to look at two from market structure, okay, which is a lower high and a lower low. So when we are having a lower low created below the previous low, we are having a lower low. But what exactly happened for me to be able to take on that entry? It was because a lower high was created. All right. So when you talk about a lower high in a downtrend, we are talking about a pullback. So that is when you saw buyers coming into. Okay, so that's why I took that entry on. It was a pullback entry, and the second one as well was a pullback entry. The third one was a continuation entry. All right. Yes, so hope we are together over there. It's good to ask questions as we proceed, all right? If you see something on the chat that you are not understanding, feel free to always ask in. Okay. Shakur is saying, I'm not reading his comments. Oh my goodness, I'm not seeing any comments, Shakur. Vibes on vibes. All right. Hi, vibes. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hi again. How are you? I'm doing okay. I'm doing amazing. All right. Okay, so over here, we definitely anticipated a continuation after a close of a pullback. Let's see. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What exactly is going on? Our market analysis, we were doing okay on my end, though I did not get any feedback from you guys. Rockabye. Okay, so let's see with our continuation. Okay. Enrique, good to have you, good to have you. How is it going? Vibes is doing good. That's lovely to know. That's lovely to know, guys. We, after consolidation, remember at the bottom we buy, at the top we sell. So that's why I've placed in that entry over here. Of course, there was some break. Okay. So someone who is looking at the alligator indicator, you can see it properly over there. All right, we have managed to cross above, and we are definitely into a bullish direction in this particular point that we are having. Okay, Habib, thank you, my darling. That's good to know. That's good to hear. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What exactly is going on? All right. If someone saw what I saw, my my thinking was all over the place. I thought the buyers were against me that particular moment, but I closed in a plus. Okay, yes, please. Keep practicing. Keep trying your very best to learn at least every single day. Learn something, understand something. It makes a difference. You might not see the difference right now, but as you keep going, the difference keeps appearing. Okay, look at this pullback over here. Oh dear. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. The first two participants we have closed in our loss. Not good at all. The wisdom votes. Good to have you, good to have you. Still here focusing to catch some amazing entries and definitely to have some profits. Just running through the demons in your mind. Then I took yours and made mine. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I catch you if you fall. The market is. It has switched from being okay to something different. Who are the people on the screen? The people on the screen are the people that sent me their money for me to trade for them, right? It is something that people do willingly, voluntarily, so they trust me to multiply for them their money. But of course, we have a link, the donations link. Of course, someone has to first go through the terms and the conditions and everything. Then it's up to you to willingly do it, or you let it go, or you let it be. All right. So the people on the screen over there are the people who feel it okay for me to multiply their money, very well knowing the risks that are involved. Which risks are involved is knowing that the market, anytime it does what it does best. Okay, that is frustrating us, that is making us feel less of traders and all that. So all those things you have to be able to consider them, to know them, and know about risk management, having something on your account, and then knowing how to go about it. Not you sending me your last savings or what is left on your account, because the unfortunate always happens. Okay, if we make the profits, well and good, but if we do not, then what happens? All right, so risk management, very, very important. Somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. You made me crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Step on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Everything's covered something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Guys, as a trader, it's not only about having a strategy, all right? You have your strategy, that is very, very fine, and that is very, very true, very, very right. But you have to always remember a number of things that you always have to look out for. Number one, risk management, very important. Trading plan, very important. Being disciplined, very, very important, because we as traders, we make a lot of mistakes because we are not disciplined. Being patient, be patient. There are those visible opportunities that you see in the market, and you are like, if I take an entry over here after the close of this Marabuzo candle, I'm definitely going to make some profits out of it. So be patient with the market. Do not compete with the market. Do not rush. Okay. The market is a very, very simple place, I think, to be, but very, very difficult if you do not follow a few things that you have to follow. Okay, you will end up making the losses, yet you are actually doing the right thing. Like, you have your setup good enough, you have a strategy, you have everything. Then you find that timing is a problem. You find that there are certain simple mistakes that you make that actually are going to make you feel like you are less of a trader. They're going to make you feel like you do not know what you are doing. All right. So please make sure that you have a few things at your fingertips. You understand exactly what you have to do, and be patient. The market is rich. The market is wealthy. It can make all of us, okay, into, it can turn all of us into what we want. But then it's your patience, your discipline that is going to help you through. Okay. Knowing a strategy is one thing, but of course, when you have a strategy, you have a trading plan, you know what to do. It is, the knowledge is put on the side, all right? Then what are the other things that we have to always be considering? What are those other things that we have to be like making a priority, making sure that when we follow them, we actually make profits? I'm seeing Habib over here. It's not easy. It's not easy being disciplined and being patient. I know it's not. It's not easy. Yeah, you're very, very right. The psychology part, very, 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 very true. Very, very true. That is, I think it's supposed to be, it's Diego, right? The biggest issue to deal with is the psychology part. Okay, that's beautiful. That's why we should come through and we chat, so right? So you are seeing that, guys, dealing with the psychology. Habib and Diego are saying very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important. So let me tell you, you can be a very, very good trader, but the psychological part of it always plays you out, and you're going to make, you're going to be making those losses, and then you even start doubting the strategy that you are using. You even start doubting what exactly you are doing, whether you know what you're doing or not, yet you are actually perfect in that area. So Habib and Diego, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. That is for Solan Drift. Congratulations. Okay, just a second here. Musa. Also, I would love to remind you, if anyone sent in their donations, We never getting older. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed for Marion. We are looking at 2,500 as our take profit. So far, one plus down. Okay, we are going. I know our start was not good, but let's see. I need you right now. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Oh dear. That is Hassan. Back to 15 seconds. I need you right now. Okay, let's see with the three atoms. Okay, that is our first attempt. And we have a plus. Let us see. Okay, let us proceed and we sing. Okay, I'm seeing over there. Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. How is your day? How is your day going? How is everything over there? Oh my goodness. What are the buyers doing to me? Oh dear. Oh dear. That is for Hassan. We've closed in our loss. Let's see how we are going to do with Maeve. It's alright, Godwin. The wisdom vault. What's up? What's up? What's up? That is Elil. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Godwin is doing okay. Godwin is doing okay. I'm seeing Habib is doing a roll call over here. Okay. I love it when the people in the comment section, people in the audience are so active and definitely guiding themselves and loving themselves. I feel so happy and so excited. That is a potato apple. No, my dear, I'm not only relying on the indicator. Okay, I'm not. I'm using a strategy which is price action. Okay, so over there I look at things like Sanjay is not here yet. Okay, so potato apple. Excuse me. In my strategy, I'm looking at a few things, a few factors, a few confluences that I actually stand at and then place in my entries. One, that is being able to identify the market direction. Once I identify the market direction, just like right about now, we are in an uptrend. We have what we call market structure. That is my second confluence. With the market structure for an uptrend, we have the higher highs and the higher lows. And as you can see on the chart over here, we have just closed a higher low. That is what I will call a pullback. Okay, and after that pullback, we had a continuation. So, and over here, another pullback formation. Let's see how it's going to take us. So, whenever, what helps me not be late in my entries, all right, I look so much at my candlestick formations, all right, the candlestick formations. That is for, we have a brother over here who asked, excuse me, thing that I would change. Okay, I'm seeing one brother over here who was talking about the late entries, right? We have the candlestick patterns, right? So once you have learned how these patterns work and what you have to look out for example, I am in an uptrend, all right? What am I going to be looking out for? Anything that gives me a buy, I will be waiting for that. Number two, I've talked about market structure. We are going to be looking at higher highs and the higher lows. For an uptrend, for example, that we are having right about now, it's what I want to be using such that we are on the same page, right? So we have the higher lows. By the higher lows, in simpler terms, we are going to say that is our pullback. For the pullbacks, that is when the price drops a little, but we are not going to base on it on just one candle formation. So I've placed in a buy position over here because we have come to a conclusion, or we have closed our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So our pullback ended, and of course, the next candle that forms gives you a way forward. One, we shall be looking at an engulfing candle that once you see that okay, we were in a pullback, but then we have this a candle, or we have a pin bar that simply drives you that over here we are definitely going to have a continuation, or we are going to go below the previous low. All right, so these are some of the things that you look out for, not to be late on your entries. Once you see a pin bar, what are you supposed to do? Once you see an engulfing candle, what are you supposed to do next? So those are some of the things that you are going to be looking out for, such that you are not left out on your entries. All right, once the direction is perfect, you are looking at a structure, and the structure is also giving you exactly what you had anticipated. Are we having a pullback, or are we having a break of structure? Because at a break of structure, if we are in an uptrend, you can have some entries over there as well. All right, then after a pullback, we definitely are going to look at a continuation. So look closely and see what are these candles in a pullback giving me at the beginning, or at the opening of that candle that you are looking for in a continuation. Get ready over there. All right, so on my end, that's how I look at it. That is how I do not miss out on the entries that I'm waiting for, or on the entries that I have targeted. On the other hand, if you are waiting for an entry and then it does not, or you're waiting for it, but then it's not making sense to you, let it go. All right, let it go. There are very many other opportunities that you're going to find, and there are very many other opportunities that are going to give you a plus. Missing an entry is not a crime. All right, so if you are seeing that it's not making sense to you, what are these sellers doing to me right about now? Look at that. Oh my goodness. So sorry about that. My anticipation of a continuation just kicked me in the leg. So sorry about that. Okay, which broker? This is a Pocket Option Broker. And then the wisdom votes. Is it not fast trading in this speed 15 seconds? You see, when I'm advising people on the timings, on the time frames, our first attempt with closing a loss, let us give it another try. I always advise people to trade in a time frame that is favorable for them, that you feel comfortable with, all right? On my end, I feel okay and I feel comfortable using 15 seconds. But if you feel okay using uh, using 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, very okay. Why? Because it gives you enough time to be able to analyze, to be able to watch what the market is doing. All right. So please trade with a timing that favors you, that you feel comfortable in, that gives you the opportunity to observe and to understand exactly what is going on in the market. Okay, do not be limited. Do not be limited by the 15 minutes that I am using. Okay. Oh my goodness, on our second attempt, that is for night, we have still made a loss. Today, I do not understand. I came in with a lot of positivity for the profits, but the market is giving me otherwise. Bello, that is Bello. Yes, I responded to you. Sammy, hi, my dear. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. All right, potato apple. That will actually help. Link trading. What's up, you to have you? What are the best time to trade? The best time to trade as a binary options trader is that time that you feel comfortable in. All right. The time that you feel comfortable in, the time where you have your personal space, no noise, no interruptions. That is the best time for you as a trader to trade, because trading needs 100% of your focus. Okay. Okay. All right. Down. The emergent. Good to have you. What's up? Good to have you. Never even down. Our last attempt. Let's see what it's going to give us. Down. Okay, we keep it going. Drag me down. Nobody can drag me down. Guys, remember, you trade for you and no one else, right? So do not always feel the pressure of pleasing the people around you. Congratulations, that is for Hollis. All right, you are trading for you. If you are getting profits little by little, that's okay. But always make sure that you do things at your own pace. No one should push you this, that. No. Trading is personal. Trade for you you will love it more. But when we trade for the people that are next to us, are neighboring us, who do not even know what trading means, of course, when you find people who do not know what it is, they're going to keep telling you that is scam, things like that, fraud, things like that. But when you get into it, know that you are learning for you, you are trading for you, and of course, the money that you make, enjoy it for you. All right. Okay, Musa is asking me, you're welcome, the emergence. Musa is asking me, what are your best candlestick patterns? One, that is the engulfing candle. You know very well that it can be a bullish engulfing candle or a bearish engulfing candle, depending. Okay, then we have the Marabuzo candle. Those are the large bodied candles that actually spike. All right, when you see that spike, you are definitely you have to know that you are switching to that particular direction. All right, no debate, no nothing. All you have to do is wait for it to first close, and then at the formation of the next candle, strike into the market. Okay, that is the Marabuzo candle, the engulfing candle, the pin bar candles, very very interesting candles. Okay, then there is the pin bar, there is the doji, the hammer over there. Yeah, but I love so much the engulfing Marabuzo, because those, of course, even the with a Marabuzo candle, even the momentum is clear. It's very very clear. So if we are having a bullish Marabuzo candle with that momentum, just keep buying until, all right. Then for the engulfing candle as well, you go into that direction until it shows you otherwise. The pin bar as well. Then for the doji, those small bodied candles, so they tell you exactly what you have to expect, what you have to know, that over here when I see these particular candles, I need to calm down. All right. So with a few candlestick patterns that you become familiar with, trading becomes easier for you. And if you see a pattern that you're not familiar with, that you feel might lead you into a trap, let it go. Let it go, really. Okay. Okay. So, Musa, those are the few that actually focus so much on. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Okay, let's just invest. Okay. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. There you go. Potato apple, you're so calm, and even after a massive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We take it slow. We take it slow. If you learn how to play around with your emotions, things become quite easy. Okay, emotions, risk management, those two are very very important. Block it, fire again. Okay. Humble one, humble one, humble one. What's up? What's up? What's up? Wagwan. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so from Jamaica we say Wagwan. Okay. From Rwanda we say Amakuru. Okay, let me first check it out. Eh, okay. Okay. Amakuru, yes. My brain is on the top. You are most welcome, Musa. Hi, Musa, by the way, where are you from? Where are you joining in from? Fill me in, fill me in, fill me in. Okay, wagwan, humble one. That is a nice way of greeting. Loki's fire gun. Yes, okay, satire life. Good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Somebody, Loki's fire gun. Mm, 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 mm.
It's high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
Okay, let's see for my Revela. We are in a bearish direction, guys. Beautiful. One more attempt to go. Okay, Savu, what's up, what's up, good to have you, good to have you. Okay, we are pulled back over here. That is my anticipation. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. For our second attempt, we have closed in a loss over there. Really, I was thinking about right over into cold. Take us into different places. I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know. Okay, all right. So we have someone audible from Uganda. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. All right. I just wanna stay outside. I'm all alone. And I doubt someone will take me home. Somewhere across my soul. Okay. Lisa over there, good to have you, good to have you. All right, so over here we are definitely learning a few a few things, a few greetings here and there. Wagwan, all the way from Jamaica. Habari, all the way from Kenya, Tanzania. And Vanakam, all the way from Sri Lanka. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Today the market is doing me crazy. I do not know exactly what the market wants from me. All my joy and happiness. Excuse me. Okay. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. It's not the fun. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason. Okay, I'm seeing people trying to catch up. That is Musa over there and Asiken. Okay, I love that by the way. Let me tell you. We have people over here, all the way from South Africa. That is Lekala and Maredi, and some others that maybe just watch and learn a few things here and there. Then we have Sanjay, we have Velumani, all the way, those are all the way from an all-time fave, all the way from Sri Lanka, all right? And you find that people are here and they are communicating each and every single day, okay? So that we should do, at least get to know a few people from your country, get to know a few people from your country, interact every single day when you come through, find out whether they are live, whether they are watching, please. This is an audience, this is a beautiful family that we are building over here, and definitely we have to be proud about it, we have to be happy about it. We come here, let us learn. If Musa knows something and Asikian also knows something, we are both from the same country. We can be friends, we can be trading friends, we can make our lives easier as traders. We can have a trading pattern, we can a partner, we can have someone that we can rely on. So this family or this audience that we are building, it is not just for just let us keep catching up, let us keep vibing together, let us keep planning together, let us keep sharing. We grow together. I am not here just to showcase what I can do. What makes me happy is when you learn, another person learns, people sit down in their homes and then they are able to trade, make a few profits here and there, be happy about themselves. Guys, let me tell you, the first time I made my own profit, I do not know. If it was possible, the whole world would have known about it. But then I'm not Bill Gates, so let me tell you, it feels so good. So when we come here, we learn, we apply it, we make, even if you are making small profits, it's so good. It's so lovely. It makes us feel like we are great achievers. And remember, we're not trading for anyone else. We are trading for us. All right. So, Asiken, you're trading for you. Lena is trading for Lena. You find that Musa, you're trading for you. Because at the end of the day, the profits that you're going to make are going to be yours. But the learning process, let us do it together, okay? Let us handle it together. Let us see that at least we get something from it. So whenever we come here, let us not let it just pass just like that, because we are here for 2 good hours. Let us use them. If you are trading earlier on in the day and you found a challenge, when Lena comes through, talk about it. Okay? Even people in the comment section, people, that is where people are going to start off from. Even me, this is how I handled it. You're learning how to handle different situations that come your way as a trader, right? That's my simple advice. So let us maximize the time we are here each and every single day. And the market is not leaving today, all right? I don't know, but for as long as the market still exists, let us keep draining it. All right? Life is funny, no. Somewhere inside snow. Okay, that is. Okay, let me see Shakur all the way from Kenya. Okay, is Kenya the capital of Africa? Really? Okay, it's you guys telling me what's up. Giti Habi Shakur all the way from Kenya, and the Kenyan people say Habari, right? If I'm wrong, please correct me. But I remember earlier I used to have people over here and we were chatting. We were definitely talking about the different ways of greeting. So please, Shakur, guide me over there. We the capital of Africa? I've never heard of that. But I do not know. Block, hi, what's up, Good to have you. Yes, my darling Musa, let's keep it going. Faizo is in the building. Faizo is in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. Only know you love her when you let it go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Okay, that is Bonga over there. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 5 years plus now. 5 years plus now. And the first year of trading was the worst for me. I was a bad learner. I was not consistent. But as time went on and I redefined why I chose trading in the first place, things kept on becoming easier and easier for me. Learning became a must, not an option. Okay. So things kept on becoming better. I count 5 years. I count the first year, though I did not do much in it, because it's the year that introduced me to trading. But I did not do anything in that year apart from making losses. Apart from making losses and deciding that over here, no one will ever see me in trading. Every single day I used to tell myself that, but here I am, very happy full-time trader. Yeah. Chasing it tonight, doubts run around her head. He's waiting, hides behind a cigarette. Heart is beating loud, and she doesn't want it to stop. Moving too fast, is out of her sleep. She's falling, doesn't
all that she really wants. Only getting home, baby. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of.
Okay, so let's see for dark, that is 352 atoms.
Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, everything that you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never
Okay, so for our last attempt, let's see.
change me and you. Princess, I'm living.
Look at all these bills. How are they going to get paid?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, can, and will be used against you in a court of law.
Got locked away and we lost it all today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same if I showed you my flaws? If I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Oh no. If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Is you gonna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy, shawty, would it be alright? Come on, show me that you do.
Beautiful. Congratulations to Duck.
Would you spend your whole life? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Cry for me, baby. Don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, so I wanna know, would you stick around? If I got locked away and we lost it all to love me the same. If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Sitting around out there playing video games, yo. I'm out there in these streets trying to figure things out in my head. Yelling at me, man. Come on, man. Don't do me like that, man. Like, they really out there trying.
How are they going to get paid? What is your plan?
I try. I have a plan. You just need to trust me, man.
Be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough?
Okay, so guys, that is the end of our donations, our participants for today. That was the very last one. For anyone that hasn't seen their donations yet, you sent it in, please chat with me on Telegram, send me a message. I always love to trade for you on time. Tell me honestly, prosperous, Jerry, good to have you, good to have you. Honda, what would you say?
Tell me, would you want me? Tell me, would you call me? If you knew I wasn't ballin'. If I need a girl who's always by my side. Tell me, do you need me? Tell me, do you love me? Yeah. Or is you just trying to play me? If I need a girl to hold me down for life.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Okay, Prosperous Jerry, what's up? What's up? How is it going? What's happening to my Prosperous Jerry? Fill me in. We lost it all today. Tell me honestly. Back in for my personal trading for the remaining small time. So as well, let's catch up. Let's catch up. We have a few minutes left. I think around 14. So let's catch up in those few minutes that are left. Okay. You're welcome, Asken. You are welcome. Chat with me. What's up? What's up? What's going on?
You got me thinking that way. You and I. And now I'm all upon you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want to. You know what my heart, baby. You just hit the water with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You run around, doing that dirt all on my obsession. You don't want my heart, baby. You just hate the thought of me with someone you want. You just want attention.
Okay.
You're just making sure.
Okay, that wisdom vaults. How is your day-to-day routine? What are you busy during the day? One, you want to listen to my lazy routine. I take long to get out of bed. That is number one. I always rest as much as I can, and then I love so much making research on a few things here and there. Then, of course, most of my time onto my trading, because learning how to trade never ends. Every day you can learn something new every day. So I love making research. I love resting. I love resting. And then I love spending so much time on my chats. Okay, I love spending a lot of time on my chats as well, even if I'm not trading. But I love watching them. I love seeing exactly what is going on. I love seeing new, when you take some time and just looking at your chats, when you come and look at them, you see that something is new about the chats, all right? So I spend a lot of time on my chats. I love resting a lot. I love eating a lot. So those people who love trying out different foods. So I always go with family, people, and friends. We go to different places for food testing and all that. Yes. Then I love visiting. I love visiting. I am a destinational person. I love moving from one place to another. I love traveling so much. All right. So that is me. If I'm not resting, you find me on my computer reading something or just on my chats. If not, you'll find me laughing so much with my family members, chatting so much, you know, then or with my friends, or you'll find me. I've traveled here, there to see a few things. All right, so that's me. Hope I'm not boring, but yeah, that's me. That's me. Then the other thing that I talked about that made people laugh, I'm someone who loves love. I love being loved. I love seeing people in love. I love love. Like I love that kind of thing where I feel safe. So yeah, that is me generally in a few words, in 1,000 words. Okay, Anna Mbatha. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I've missed you. I've missed you. How is it going? How is it going on your end over there? Guys, I trade using uh, a computer, right? Maybe if I'm not at home and I'm doing my personal trades, I could do a few on my phone. Okay. Yes. So that is it. Habib, that sounds much more like my routine too, except I don't usually go out. Oh, so you are an indoor person. On my end, I love traveling so much. So at some point, I am working so hard to make sure that every country that I think of, I can go to it. I love moving up and down, like not just like that, but moving to different destinations. I love it so much. Okay. So guys, um I believe we have had an amazing time. You can tell me in the comment section how today's session has been. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. I I really do appreciate you. So today that will be it from me. I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. It's your girl Lena over here, 3 p.m. Canadian time. 2 hours. That is the time we take for our sessions. And whenever we come through, let it be fruitful. Let it be amazing. All right. So I will catch you tomorrow. I will catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.
no more counting dollars. We'll be counting stars. I feel the love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money, watch it burn. Oh, but I'm not that old. I'm not that bold. I don't think the world is sold. I just do.
Okay.
I feel something so wrong. Doing the right thing. I could